Welcome to Exoprise and to CloudReady. Over the next few minutes, I'll provide an introduction to our company and technology and explain how organizations of all kinds are using CloudReady to optimize IT environments and to accelerate their success in the cloud. The cloud is the most exciting and disruptive development to hit IT in a long time. Estimates vary regarding the pace of adoption and size of the market, but the impacts of this shift are being felt at organizations of all sizes. While the innovation happening in the cloud is incredible and the efficiencies of the cloud are clear, the reality is that most enterprises have decades of experience and investment in on-premises infrastructure and a catalog of on-premises applications. This leaves IT leaders with challenging questions about the best way to incorporate SaaS offerings into their IT infrastructure. Questions like, which applications and business functions are my best candidates for the cloud? Will my users be satisfied with cloud-based alternatives to applications? Will the cloud be as secure and reliable as the existing on-premises environment? And will I actually save money, and how much? CloudReady provides answers to these questions. A cloud-based, agent-free, self-service solution that analyzes on-premises desktop environments and Microsoft Exchange. CloudReady empowers IT professionals with the insights required to optimize IT infrastructure and to accelerate success in the cloud. Users of CloudReady know how much of the Microsoft Office suite is actually used across the organization, and by whom. They know the actual cost savings available between cloud alternatives to on-premises Exchange, like Google Apps or Office 365, and they have insights into how users have been using email to collaborate across the enterprise. Exoprise runs from the cloud. There's even a free trial available at exoprise.com/free trial that you can run today with an 11 meg downloadable component that runs from one workstation. If I click the Assess tab, you'll see I have the option to run an email assessment or a desktop assessment. That's a simple process that takes about 10 minutes to set up, but we'll do that in a separate demonstration. Right now I'm going to go to the assessment results available in the Compare tab. Here I can see the free dashboard that summarizes the cost of your existing system versus Microsoft Office 365 versus Google Apps, and also takes a little look at usage and feature compatibility. But I'm going to jump right into the full analysis report now. This collection of insights gives a detailed cost comparison of my current messaging environment compared with the annual cost if I were to move to Office 365 or Google Apps. A 5-year projected cost which rolls in the migration and training costs of making the move to give enterprises an accurate look at the savings over time. A look at the reliability of my existing environment versus cloud alternatives. Information about trouble spots and errors on the existing on-premises Exchange servers. Details about which features of Outlook people have been using. Insights that are critical to choosing the right path forward and developing an effective training and change management plan. And insights into how organizations have been using email to collaborate by sending documents and attachments internally and externally. There's far more information than I can cover in this brief demonstration, but let's take a closer look into a few areas. Cost is arguably the most important factor in any decision to move to the cloud, and CloudReady brings TCO analysis to a new level. By combining an editable cost catalog with a real asset-based assessment, CloudReady delivers a more accurate representation of the true cost of an existing environment, broken down by category, and compares that to alternatives like Google Apps or Microsoft Office 365. The cost metrics in CloudReady are easily edited, allowing you to tune the detail accurately to your existing environment. Cost is critical, and CloudReady delivers an accurate, data-driven representation of the choices at hand. There's more detail here too. For example, the opportunity to see how messaging costs are distributed across the organization. But other factors besides cost come into play too, such as the readiness of end users to switch to a new system. This report breaks down the community into power, smart, and simple users based on which features they use most frequently in Outlook. Each category here corresponds to a variety of features and functions in Outlook, like usage of notes, inbox rules, search folders, appointments with attachments, and contacts with attachments. External collaboration looks at the percent of messages sent to and from internal or external parties. A detailed look helps us understand user habits and to identify which users might be best choices for pilot programs. The document usage analysis gives insights into the age, size, type, and destination of email attachments across the enterprise. For organizations contemplating fundamental shifts in collaboration methods, this is important information. And there's a lot more in here. The change management reports help identify mailboxes with errors, as well as estimate the time to migrate to different cloud platforms. But CloudReady doesn't just analyze Microsoft Exchange. It can also provide important information about desktop environments and the cost and viability of alternatives to the traditional Windows-based PC. Using the same CloudReady platform as the email assessment, CloudReady Insight for Desktops delivers a data-driven understanding of the existing PC infrastructure and compares it against alternatives. From basic information like the age of computers, the machines by operating system, or an assessment of how much of the Office suite is being used on each machine. CloudReady delivers deep, data-driven insights about on-premises Exchange and desktop environments, insights that allow IT to identify cost savings, reduce risk, and optimize collaboration potential across the enterprise. Whether your decision to move to the cloud is imminent or you're just beginning the process, CloudReady is an easy, low-cost place to start. Try it for free today at exoprise.com/free trial. If you have any questions, contact us via live chat or at 1-855-EXOPRISE. Thank you.